Hey guys, it's Bill Barnett, national best-selling author of Are You Dumb Enough to Be Rich? And I just want to talk to you for a minute. I know because of 22 years of being a real estate investor and working with thousands of new real estate investors and experienced real estate investors around the country through those years, that so many people have spent a ton, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 on some type of real estate investment program, and they haven't done anything yet. Many of them haven't done a single deal yet. And that's what I want to talk to you about real quick. We've put together the greatest mastermind program for real estate investors who have never done a deal or who have only done one or two deals and they haven't built a business yet. This is a great business to be involved with. It is a business. It is a profession. You have to be in a position where it's doing what you need it to do, providing you the income, providing you the free time, providing you the fulfillment, the ability to impact your family that you were looking for when you spent all that money. So I don't care who you spend it with. I'm not here to bash anybody else out there in our real estate training world. What I'm here to do is to take that experience for you and convert it to a successful experience. Now, here's how we did that. We put together the Are You Dumb Enough to Be Rich Real Estate Mastermind. And it meets 4 times a year. It's online. It's a half a day each time. It's incredibly valuable. And we're going to have not only myself, but other great real estate investors from around the country telling all of us, each other, you, me, how they did what they did. We are going to work together to get you over the hump, get you out there doing what it is that you wanted to do to begin with. I'm going to include a bonus for this. The mastermind is $7.99. You can go right here, click right below this video and sign up for the mastermind 4 times a year. The first one's in the end of July 2019, right down the road here. And you're going to find that the bonus alone sells for twice that. It's our Are You Dumb Enough to Be Rich home study course. Sells normally for $14.95. That's a bonus. I'm just putting that in. That's a 3-day full live workshop, all the PowerPoints, 350-page manual to go along with that walks you hand in hand through getting a deal done, getting your first deal done, getting your business up and running. Then on the mastermind, we're going to take you to the next level. If you are interested in recouping the money that you spent already with some other training program that just didn't work, if you're tired of that feeling of failure, if you're tired of your spouse nagging on you, ragging on you about you spent all of that money and nothing's happened, this is your shot to fix that. Click the link below. You'll get information from me immediately. I look forward to seeing you, and your success is our success. Thank you.